What's going on YouTube? Rob with Save the V8 here, and last night I got a little busy doing some stuff to my Mustang. That's right guys, this thing is freaking straight pipe now and we're gonna go take it for a drive. Guys, it is so loud. I can't even believe it. Let's go check this thing out. It's still just warming up right now, but let's go listen to this thing. Oh my gosh, it is so loud. Oh my gosh. Pull for you guys here. Hold on a second. Woo! Never gets old. Never gets old. Now we're just trying to merge into all this crazy traffic. Actually, I just realized I've got my own lane. So,
caution,
we'll just use
red
that.
light camera ahead. Red light camera.
People are crazy around here, guys. Missouri notoriously has probably like the worst drivers out there. Like, seriously, the worst drivers ever. People, I was literally just turning, I had my own lane, like a right-hand turning lane. And this woman was just creeping out slower and slower into my lane. Wasn't even looking, just kept pulling out to the point where she was in the lane, never merged, never used a turn signal or anything. And I'm coming down, literally the street, and didn't even look, just pulled right out. So you gotta be careful. There's a lot of idiots out there, guys. So anyways, so we're just on our way to Best Buy right now. Pick up a couple extra things for the GoPro, and then I'll be right back. Alright guys, back from Best Buy now. Got some stuff for the GoPro, stuff to help the channel along, so that'll be cool. You'll see a lot more of that coming in future videos. So right now, let's go ahead and go down, find some back roads, and I'll show you guys what my Mustang sounds like as we blast down some of those. We'll do a little bit of a POV driving for you, and then I'll strap the GoPro right next to the exhaust so you can hear what this thing sounds like straight pipe. And there we have it, guys. I hope everyone enjoyed this quick little video of me doing some point of view driving of my Mustang on some back roads. Hopefully those exhaust clips come out really clear for you guys and you can hear that awesome V8 sound through your headphones. Again, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe down below. Go ahead and follow me out on Instagram, and remember everyone, save the V8.